my gosh. Oh, that was another Shinkansen. I think also going at 250 miles an hour. So like a 400, 500 mile speed differential. And yeah, it was still incredibly smooth. You can feel a little pressure differential pull towards the other one, which is a bit unnerving when you think about what's causing it.